Now, let's move to the Trip section. To create a new trip, tap Add Trip in the upper right corner. A new window will open with a unique, auto-generated tracking number, which you can share with your dispatcher, broker, or customer. Enter the reference number you receive once the load is booked, or use any identifier that helps you recognize the load easily. Add notes if needed, and then continue to fill in the location details. Start with the pickup information. Enter the facility name, pickup date, and address. If there are multiple pickups or drop-offs, tap the plus icon to add as many destinations as needed. Be attentive to the appointment times for both pickup and delivery to ensure smooth scheduling and avoid delays. Once you've added the drop-off location and date, publish the trip. You'll now see it listed in your trip section. Assign a driver to the load. The driver will immediately receive a notification on their mobile app. Once they accept it, the trip status on your screen will update automatically. You can track the entire trip using the built-in map, monitor load status, and receive updates in real time. Share the tracking link with the customer so they can follow the trip live and stay informed throughout the process. Drivers can upload documents during the trip, such as bill of lading, proof of delivery, or any other required paperwork. You can also message the driver directly to stay connected and share trip details at any time. After the trip is completed, it will move to the Finish section at the top. For your convenience, all documents will automatically be stored in the Paperwork section, keeping everything organized in one place. From scheduling to real-time tracking, manage every trip with ease and confidence.